Hi everybody, Cynthia here. I'm back to share an envelope for this card. And if you remember, this is a 6 by 4.5 card, but we have a bow here and it is a little bit dimensional. So I'm going to make the envelope a little bit bigger for you guys to fit this card. And let's get started. It's really quick, really simple. I'm using a piece of white cardstock. You can use computer printer paper if you want to make it more economical. Completely up to you. So you want to take your 8.5 by 11 inch sheet of paper or cardstock, put it in at the 11-inch mark, and you're going to score at 2.5. Again at 7 3/4. Flip it, line it up at the 8.5-inch mark, score at 1 inch, and again at 7.5. Sorry, I did not include this with the video. Normally I do try to make an envelope with the card unless I've already made one in a previous video that I could post a link below. So I'll definitely go back and put a link to this for this card. Okay, so then you're going to fold up your score lines. And this actually gives you enough room if you really want to make a dimensional card. You know, this envelope is pretty nice size for that. Okay, cut on your score lines. We're going to cut off all 4 corners. I can't cut today with the little ones. Sometimes little handled scissors are hard for me to operate. There we go. Okay. So it should look something like this. And what I like to do is on the inside of this flap, I'm going to run some adhesive down this inside, and then I'm going to fold this one closed, and I'm going to run adhesive on the edge of this one. And then I'll just close this up, run my bone folder over, and then I'm going to round my corners for the flaps. I'm going to choose one flap that I want to make the bottom, and run adhesive on the bottom of that flap and flip it up. And then I take my 1-inch circle punch, and I've made marks on mine and I measured it with a ruler, so I have a mark here that gives me the halfway point and a mark going this way. So I'm going to line it up halfway in the middle of the envelope and cut there, and that just enables you to get your card out a little bit easier. And then I have some double-sided tape that I'm going to lay across the flap of my envelope, and this, I just do this right away so that later on when I want to use it, I can just peel off the paper and it's ready to go. And then as you can see, it fits our money holder with the ribbon in it, and it gives you, you know, a lot of nice room in there. Close it up and mail it or ship it out in a package. So that is for our 6, what did I say, 6.5 or 6 by 4.5 card. And I think you could do that for a regular size 6 by 4.5 card, even if it didn't have, you know, the ribbon. Okay, So that's the envelope. If you guys have any questions, let me know. Thanks so much for watching. Take care and happy crafting.